guys, back with another video, and this is another Coach video. This is a bag that I purchased off of Macy's. They were having a little sale, so I saw this little baby and decided to get her. So here she is. It's a really cute small bag, and this is the color block, and it's called the Tabby. Yeah, let me get the name right. It's the natural black with pop Tabby, and I want to say it's 61 or something like that. Yeah, I'm not even supposed to play with it. Wait a minute. I don't want to get the name wrong. Now I should have had all of this together up here doing the most. Okay, this is called the Neutral Blocking Pop Tabby 61 Leather Crossbody, and it is out of stock at the moment. I had to look it up, but it is out of stock at the moment. But I did get it from Macy's, and they do have it at a couple of other stores, and it come in like other colors, because I want to say there's one that's all black, but I like this color with the black, kind of like a mustard color, kind of, sort of, and then the brown leather, and then here's the back part of it. Has that. But y'all, this is a cute little bag. So it's going to open here, and then you're going to have the little wristlet strap, and then it also comes with a chain, a crossbody chain. But here's the inside, and I do have the iPhone 11, and it does fit. Let me see. And it does close, so it does fit there. And it'd probably be less snug if I didn't have my case on here. So, but it does fit. So there's that. This would be perfect for going out to dinner or something like that, or to just out shopping or something if you don't want to carry a big bag. And then here's the other pocket. Take that out. Here's the little card, but there's a little pocket here and then a pocket there, so you put like your debit cards or credit cards in there, and then you probably put like some lip gloss, lotion, or something like that in there. So there's that, and y'all, that's pretty much it. And then this right here does snap right there, and then this one right here snaps there. So let me see. So here's my iPhone 11, so that's going to go there. Let me see if I can put a couple of things in here for you. And then here is a Bath & Body Works cream. I'm going to put that in the front part. And then, of course, you got to have your sanitizer. So I have this little small spray sanitizer, so that'll go in there. Let me try something else. Let me try one of the other sanitizers. So here's one of these pocket bags, and I'll stick that in there. And you probably can put, like I said, you can put your card in there. Probably some lip chap should be able to fit in there. Let me get my little lip chap. Here's a little lip chap, so that'll fit in there. So let me see if I can close it. So there's that, and then here's the phone still, and then there's, oh, what is that? Stick that in there. Let me try to snap. Oh, y'all, I want to turn my bag up. I think since I got that case on there, that case kind of make it bulky. Like right here, I think if I didn't have this case on here, it wouldn't be as snugged or whatever, but I don't want to force it or whatever. But if I didn't have the case on there, it'll close with no problem. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of, you know, pretty much what'll fit in there. So yeah, there's that. And like I said, it does come with the wristlet, and this does detach, so that comes off, or you can just tuck it in the inside. And then here is the crossbody strap. Let me show y'all. So here's the, sorry y'all, I got my little house coat on, but here's the crossbody strap or whatever, just so y'all can see. It's cute, and it has a nice little length, and you can always switch out, well, yeah, you can always switch out your chains or whatever. If you need a longer strap, you can always switch that out. So, but if I was to wear it, I would wear a crossbody, even though I'm not a crossbody person, but I would wear this crossbody because it's so cute. This is a perfect little bag. And I should have took it with me this weekend when I went shopping. I wasn't thinking, but y'all, here's my cute little bag. And I think I'm done buying stuff for the rest of this year. Probably next year too, because I think I'm supposed to, y'all, I'm supposed to have to buckle down on some stuff. I got some changes coming up, so I'm supposed to have to buckle down on some things. But I just want to show you guys a couple of purchases that I have made. And I did get deals on all of them or whatever. So I just want to show you guys that. And like I said, this is the neutral block Tabby 61. And I got this from Macy's. And I want to say they have it at Dillard's also, but it's in like another color if I'm not mistaken. But there it goes, you guys. And if you have any questions, like always, get back with me in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.